We are track record.
We are never finished.
The one that got away.
They all get away.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we got a special guest, Brett.
Hey.
Today we're doing something kind of fun. I don't want to like, oh, you got a spot? Okay, sweet. All right, so today we're gonna be doing something kind of fun, I think. We are going to be asking, hey, wait, come here, I don't want to show your garage if you don't want me to. I wanted to ask Brett what he thought about my car. You wouldn't say you're a car guy, right? That's like, no, if you guys know Brett, you know he's not a car guy. So I'm gonna be asking him basically what he thinks about my car and like different things on the car to see what are his thoughts, because you know my car.
Yeah. I mean,
so,
yeah.
But I wanna know what you think of my car. But we'll get to that. But first, we actually have something that I got a little while ago. These are smoke grenades that I bought. We have a bunch of colors and we want to test them out and see what they're gonna do. I want to do like a little bit of a photo shoot, video edit thing with the grenades around the car. I have never used these before and we're a little bit hesitant to pull it out here, and I don't want like neighbors to freak out and think something's going on. So Brett found a spot. So we're gonna go to that spot and see if we can do anything. Hopefully we can get some cool shots. And then later, Jordan is actually gonna be meeting up with us. Are we still, what are we doing with Jordan? Okay, cool. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna have a barbecue tonight, hang out for a little bit. So maybe we'll show you guys a little bit of that as well. It's just gonna be a hangout, chill, fun, edit kind of video. Real quick side note, I know I haven't been doing like any mods on the WRX, I know, but the next mod will be coilovers. That's a promise. I don't want to like keep teasing you guys on what I'm gonna be doing with this car. The next mod will be coilovers. I'm hoping pretty soon. Let's speed this up. Let's wrap it up.
I heard your car coming.
How far did you hear it?
It sounded like a tank, dude.
Alright, so where do I go? You can turn it off.
Hey Siri, stop recording.
Alright, so we made it. I'm gonna get the Ronin out, set up the Ronin, and then we're gonna get some shots with the smoke. Hopefully it doesn't cause kind of like a commotion here because it's gonna be a lot of smoke. So I'm gonna make Brett hold one of the smoke bombs even though he doesn't want to.
Oh my gosh. I don't have any hands left, Kevin.
I have to.
I have one hand left.
That was awesome. High five, Brett. That was kind of a long handhold.
I was trying to make it epic.
That was kind of a success. Oh, I'm like out of breath. And let's head back to your house. Get prepared for Jordan. It's so nice out. Look at this.
Little Boba date.
Look at this. Let's roll out, Brett.
Roll out.
Okay, we finally have the whole squad here, and it's time for Brett to talk about my car because you've got a lot to say, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have him first explain all the mods that I have on the car, which you know, right? He knows.
I've seen your guys.
He's seen the videos. He watches every one, right?
Yeah.
Every single video. Yeah. So, and then he's gonna explain what each one does, just to let you guys know what is on my car. And it'll be a really good explanation. So let's start with the back here. What do we got first?
It's a WRX blues.
Perfect. Yep.
Subaru. Jet blue.
Jet blue. That's actually the factory name for the color.
Are you serious? It's JetBlue. The first mod's rear tail lights right here. LED chrome finish. U-shaped.
You can definitely see the chrome.
U-shaped.
There's a lot of chrome going on in there.
Yeah, dude. And then we got on the other side the same identical headlight, personally installed by Kevin.
Got headlights
himself.
in the back.
No, I said rear lights.
Rear
I
headlights.
said tail lights. Tail lights.
Oh, okay.
Shake
All
your
right.
tail. Yeah.
We'll go with that.
We've got the exhaust matte black with. Okay, Kevin puts pop rocks in here to make it sound a little louder on it. Pop rocks.
It's all
That's the
pop
secret.
rocks.
Fake vents. What is this to get air when you go in reverse? Oh my gosh. I remember this install. It's Kevlar. Oh, never mind.
You mean carbon fiber?
Yeah, carbon fiber. All right. Next, we'll take it to the hood.
Yep.
I mean the roof.
Okay.
We got kind of expensive. Oh, it's just black. It's just plastic on it. It's a plastic wrap with a heat gun.
Well, vinyl, but close.
Yeah, he's got the little step up.
Yep, that's new installation.
These are what keep your car really safe. Plastic.
Yep.
Oh, I got the wheels, dude. Michelin.
Michelin wheels, yep.
Straight out of Michigan.
So this is...
Rhoda.
Yeah.
The Rhoda, yeah. That's a good brand. We have a plug at Willward?
You mean
Willwood?
Willwood.
Explain what was done to the front of the car, because I know you've seen all our videos. So
First, let's start out where Kevin scraped when he was pulling in here.
Yeah, I did scrape a little bit.
Right here. Carbon fiber, custom WRX label, just in case you didn't know.
Custom, everything's custom on this car apparently. Jordan! we got a recent Jordan install.
Oh my god.
Dude, that's like creepy.
It. You look like it.
So do you know what this is for down there?
That's a carbon Kevlar the cow shield. You know the trains use?
I'm gonna guess it's to keep your car lower on the ground from air.
Yeah, I mean that's pretty. It's like
because when you're going 200 miles an hour.
I'll give you that one. Yeah, so when I'm going 200 miles an hour, it keeps it's downforce, but not really.
I mean, in reality, it's just a scraper.
Yeah, and that's
to let you know when you're
for. It's just scraping it on the ground. That's the only reason I got it.
Mr. Mechanic.
Pop the hood, dude.
Are you sure you know how to
pop
do
the hood. I don't want to get my hands dirty.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, he's.
All right. Oh, dude, these are sketch, dude. I don't trust those. All right. Let's see, we start right here. Kevin likes to label stuff so he doesn't forget the name. GNCC, that's the nitro intake. This is
many hints.
This is a 6-cylinder right here.
6 cylinders, all 6, right under there.
Boxer. Oh yeah, I remember the Boxer DIT transmission.
Yeah, back in the day, those were good ones, huh?
Yeah. So this is a good transmission right here.
Okay, so let me just go over.
That's pretty much it.
What you got and what you didn't get. So let's do a quick run through of the car again, because he actually did get some stuff right. not a whole lot, but okay. So you said something about this being chrome. There's actually no chrome in there.
It's all the same.
But that's okay. We'll give you that one. You didn't mention the exhaust, did you?
Yeah, I said there's exhaust there. It's a mod.
All right, so it's an exhaust. Do you know what kind of exhaust though?
An annoying exhaust. That's what it is.
So you got the wheels actually pretty close because you said Michelin. I mean, you just read the outside.
Nah.
But you did pretty good with the downforce on this. Although I can't say that this actually provides any downforce for my car.
Not at all.
It's mainly just for looks.
And scrape.
But if you get a bigger one, it's more aero. Anyways, you didn't say anything about this.
The black box in case you know an airplane's crash.
So that's the intake. This is not the nitro outtake, what you call it, right? The outtake?
I don't know, same thing.
This is the oil filter right there, so that's like probably the most basic.
Nuh-uh, dude. That's a can of nitro.
This is a 4-cylinder, but
not at all.
You're only 2 off, so you're pretty close.
Not
right?
at all.
Only 2 off. You also call it a transmission, I think, at one point.
This is all a transmission.
No, it's the engine. The transmission is down under everything down there.
That's point.
but
whatever. This is Kevin's daily commute car. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah. Racer seats, Caribou, Corbin Blue.
So what are your overall thoughts, finishing thoughts about my car and its modifications? Do you like, be honest though, like does it annoy you to a point?
Yeah, I think the car is super annoying. It's loud and it's all like this when Kevin like switches gears. But
Alright, that's fair enough. It's pretty funny because when I have the windows down and I do like a pull under a freeway bridge or something and his window is down, he will roll up his window because he doesn't want anybody to see him. It's pretty hilarious. I understand.
I would be embarrassed driving this car. I think it is one of the more tastefully done cars, but if a car wasn't so loud, if it didn't sound like a freaking airplane or whatever, like I wouldn't be embarrassed just from looks, but the sound embarrasses me. I would hate to drive a car with this kind of sound.
Alright, that's fair enough. At times it kind of annoys me at times, so.
Yeah, pulling out of a parking lot.
Yeah, I get some pretty
pulling in my neighborhood. Leaving your house in the morning for work. Arriving to work. Parking in front of all your coworkers. But I mean, it's cool if you're into that kind of thing.
Alright, I'm done torturing you, Brett. You're a good sport. Brett, you gotta say goodbye.
What?
You gotta say goodbye.
Alright, see you guys next time. Have a nice day.
That was perfect. Everybody, we're gonna hang out for a little bit longer. Just relax. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. We are never finished, and we will catch you guys. You gotta say your part.
Oh, in the next one.
In the next one.